Okay, guys, welcome to another video. Guys,
Today-
can you guess who I'm gonna be? I'm gonna be the chicken. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, so today, guys, so we have to go here, right? And I want to have the black one with the black helmet, and I'm gonna be red. Done. Now, Blake, your turn. Now Blake's gonna choose what he wants to be. You don't want boots, Blake?
No.
So guys, look at guys, we got a new one. Pyramid.
Oh no!
Look, and guys, we even got a new character, the chameleon. Okay, guys. So today we're gonna be doing creative mode. Yay! Which one you wanna do?
Pyramid.
Same. Look how fun we can make it. First, Blake first has to get. Okay, guys, it's starting. Guys, if you haven't watched our other video, then you're missing out what to do. Watch our other video to see what to do. But this is creative mode. We get to the inventory and place whatever we want, guys. So I want.
I jump back there. I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm dead, guys. Guys, I'm very
If
dead.
we go in here where one under me, we it's quicksand. We die. We go over here.
We go underground.
You guys, today we're gonna be doing creative mode. Woohoo!
Yay!
Okay. Guys, he made it. I can't believe it, guys. Subscribe and like the video.
If you like the video,
So guys, today I'm gonna go watch Jumanji. Ooh, it's gonna be
Jumanji Part 2.
Yeah, Jumanji, the next level. Ow, the flower slapped me, guys.
Valley, I died from this.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so fun.
Jump. Oh my god. You make it even harder now. Help me, I'm in the pond.
Same.
Oh my god, guys. We have goals. The cuckoo clock. Oh my god.
Guys, this is
Oh
hard,
my
guys.
god, what's happening?
So guys, this is creative mode, guys. We can change the modes if we go back.
Hooray!
But today we're doing creative mode, guys. Let's see who's gonna win.
Haha. Oh my god, guys, I keep living. Woohoo!
Okay, guys, this is so cool, guys. Remember, guys, it's not free on PS4 like Brawlhalla, guys. Brawlhalla is free, me. Free as a ketchup.
Did you eat?
No.
There's food in there.
Okay.
There's food in there.
Okay, guys, we'll be back after this quick breakfast. Okay, guys, we're back from our break. Ah.
Yeah, Retro? Oh no. Yum, 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 guys. This is so yummy. Yeah, yay.
I like my dad's breakfast.
Yeah, our dad makes
Ouch.
good breakfast for us.
Mm-hmm. Comment below if your dad or mom or whoever makes breakfast for you is delicious. Because really my dad is.
Everyone on the cuckoo clock. Cuckoo. Dappa.
I'm gonna go get the...
Help me! Guys, did you see me? I went inside the black hole.
Like, look. Look, there's a jetpack right here. That works there. Whoa! Ouchie! Good thing I put that, now it's gonna be harder.
We just left, oh no!
Mmm. Ow!
What happened?
The flower spanked us.
You just left, oh no!
Jetpack right behind there. Okay, Blake? We're going jetpack, Blake?
Yeah.
Okay, it's right there, okay?
Cuckoo
Look,
clock.
you want the jetpack right there?
Yeah.
You don't want it? It's right there.
The jetpack on. Oh, I forgot about that.
And don't forget to like the video if you want to see more Ultimate Dragon Wolf, guys.
Yep.
Guys, I don't know what to get. Okay, guys. So what should we get?
Too late, Belly.
Ow! I forgot that was there, guys.
Which one?
I'm the ultimate Maka. So guys, if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you can get to 14 subscribers, then I'll do a surprise one, guys. But get a portal, okay? Like this is, I put one at the beginning, okay? Let's go through. The package, guys, is how we get the new characters and new maps. Wait, but we already have. But guys, we already have Old Mansion.
Yeah.
Wait, let me go see. Oh, look, guys, we already had that. Look, guys. Look, we already have Old Mansion. Aw, man. Thought we were gonna get a new one. Aw, you sad?
Yeah.
Okay, like the video. Don't forget to click notifications if you want to see more of these. And to our most recent videos. Peace out, dudes.